Alright, so we're here in Mexico City, arrived quite late last night. Right now we're on our way to get some food and then we're going to do a walking tour. So yeah, looking forward to this. Go see what the historic center of Mexico City is like. Let's go. This must be like the music street in Mexico City because it's all just like music shops and like places to buy guitars, speakers, things like that. We have one music shop in Portlaoise. We stopped into this little restaurant here. Look what Bengal. Jesus. It's a massive pork leg. And I just got beef. Like tortillas. Should be sweet. Don't know what's going on here. There's a lot of shouting though. It's like they're stopping people from buying stuff. That's what it looks like. They're not going to close up all of it.
It almost feels like we're not in Mexico. Right? It's from the beginnings of the 1600s. So it was originally built as a house.
Alright, something I didn't know is that Mexico is basically entirely on a lake, or what was once a lake, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, and a load of the buildings all sink. And you see it as you're like walking around, like the backs of buildings are like sloping down and things like that. What was the building that was 4 meters?
Fine Arts Palace.
Fine Arts Palace. 4 meters in 100 years?
Around, yes.
Crazy.
Here we have a 1985, right? So the reason that 1985 it's over here, it's because at that year the pendulum was there, right? So it was insanely inclined. Looks like when the Aztecs were established here, like the tallest one
at
with
the back,
yeah, at the back. So we're well, specifically that pyramid, it used to be this one right here.
Cool.
So yeah, well, we're literally standing in front of this big pyramid. Presentation of the goddess of the moon, which was called Coyolxauhqui. As I said, is Avenida.
The amount of please.
I'm not sure what's happening.
Alright, and that wraps up our walking tour. It was actually a private walking tour, we were the only two doing it. And yeah, can't stress enough how good they are. Like if you arrive in a city and you want to know where to go, the history about it, definitely do a walking tour. Especially for like local recommendations as well. Like he gave us like a place for tacos, told us to go up this big tower here because there's like a platform on top. Yeah, really good recommendations, and they're usually by locals as well, so quality stuff. Okay, I just want to take a minute to thank everybody that has watched this series. Honestly, it was an amazing experience, like it was unbelievable. I'm back in Ireland now, it's August, so this was recorded back in May. I have Valencia footage to upload. We stayed there for a month, so that'll be coming soon. Other than that, the weather's shite, kind of back to reality for the time being before I get money together for Australia. I can't find the footage from Mexico where I'm in the airport, and I say thank you, so thank you. Yeah, thanks for watching. It's been such good fun making this, editing it and uploading it, seeing your guys' reaction. And yeah, hopefully many more backpacking trips like this to come in the future. And once again, thank you very much. Cheers.